Nation is witnessing the largest infrastructure creation drive in our history. India is contributing towards a prosperous and resilient world through the clarion call of an Atmanirbhar Bharat.
2021 was a year full of events, but what we are going to showcase here is about some of the welfare schemes launched by the government in the year 2021. On June 1, 2021, the government extended the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Package insurance scheme for health workers fighting COVID-19 for 1 year with effect from 24th April 2021. The scheme was initially launched on 30th March 2020 for a period of 90 days to provide comprehensive personal accidental cover of Rs 50 lakh to all healthcare providers, including community health workers and private health workers. The Government of India launched a scheme named the E-Shram Portal Scheme on August 26, 2021 for the welfare of unorganized sector workers and laborers. The central government also rolled out a national database for workers from the unorganized sectors. This scheme was launched on 24th March 2021. It aims to provide high-quality energy-efficient LED bulbs at just Rs 10 per piece under Gram Ujala scheme. Energy Efficiency Services Limited will provide LED bulbs at just Rs 10 for the benefit of rural population. PM Mentoring Yuva scheme has been designed to ensure creation of a pool of authors below 30 years who are ready to express themselves and project India and its culture on any international platform. It was launched in June 2021. This scheme aims to provide skill development training to youths. The Indian Railways aim to empower India's youth by offering entry-level training in industry-relevant skills through Indian Railways Training Institutes. It was launched on 20th August 2021. Launched on 8th August 2021, this scheme aims to improve competency levels of its target group, comprising of members of SC community and the poorer section of the OBC communities, sanitization workers. PM Daksh Yojana is a national action plan for skill development of marginalized persons covering SCs, OBCs, EBCs, DNTs, sanitization workers including waste pickers. Academic Bank of Credit scheme was launched on 29th July 2021. It is to facilitate the academic mobility of students with the freedom to study across the higher education institutions in the country with an appropriate credit transfer mechanism from one program to another. It is an academic service mechanism for storing and transferring of academic credits of a student. ABC scheme is in line with the new national education policy. The main objective of PM Umeed scheme is to provide training to 3 lakh youths to become entrepreneurs till 2025-2026. PM Umeed scheme facilitates loans to youths and connect them to appropriate markets. It was launched in April 2021. What India needs is a transformation. As the year ends and new hopes arise with new beginnings, we hope that India achieves several milestones with the coming new year 2022.